I'm Jen Hodge with San Diego Audubon, and I am here today with Neil Solomon, who's going to tell us a little bit about what he's going to be doing in the San Diego Bird Photography Festival coming up October 29th and 30th. And it's a pleasure to have you here with us today, Neil.
Thank you.
As far as birds within your own local environment, what do you enjoy?
Well, San Diego is a great place for birds. I needn't tell you that because you already know that, but for a photographer, it is wonderful because it's an all-year thing. The different seasons bring a different set of birds to go photograph. So I can't say I have a favorite, although hummingbirds, as we get into that, are probably one of my favorites. They're here all the time. They offer an opportunity to do photography without a lot of work, so to speak, because everyone has feeders. And if you have a feeder, you have hummingbirds. And so they are as close as outside your back door. And that makes it very, very easy to be a hummingbird photographer.
Very good. What are some of the challenges with photographing hummingbirds?
What first interested me was the idea of using multiple flashes to do almost a studio type of photography of hummingbirds, but outside rather than in a studio. But I've discovered over the last 10 years that there are many ways that you can photograph hummingbirds. There's no right or wrong. There's no better or best. It all depends on where you are and what you have to work with. If you consider the multi-flash as being the most complicated way of doing hummingbird photography, using ambient light is the least complicated way of doing hummingbird photography. And those are the two situations which we'll handle in the workshop.
Excellent. I'm sure that everyone will learn a lot.
That's the idea. I'd like to think that whoever takes the workshop will be able to go home and immediately begin doing this sort of photography, provided they have a feeder with some hummingbirds showing up, without much extra effort, actually.
Yes, that's wonderful. And we'll be doing 2 hummingbird workshops in the San Diego Bird Photography Festival. One will be in the morning and one will be in the afternoon on October 29th. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, we're very much looking forward to it. And Neil, thanks for taking the time to talk with me today and help me understand more about your passion for bird photography.
Oh, you're very welcome. And I'm really looking forward to the workshop myself.
Thank you so much.